Okay, what about now? Can you guys hear me now? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Can you guys hear me now? Testing one, two, test check. Technically, the sun should be on now. Uh-uh-uh. Uh-oh. Okay, let me investigate here. What happened here? Technically. Oh, perfect now? Okay, great. Awesome. Okay, so let's do this again. So I don't know if the intro was good or not. So I was saying basically, welcome everybody. Hopefully everybody's doing great. And hopefully you guys doing better than me because clearly I'm starting to have a little something. Took my magic product, so technically this thing should scare any viruses out of my body. So obviously, crossing fingers, no matter. Anyways, so that's the reason I'm a little late this morning. I do apologize. And I always have a good reason, right? I'm always late. All right, so let's get started here because this one's going to be a quick one. Yeah, yeah. Okay, let's get this. Here we go. Cool. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and don't be shy to stop me if you have any question. If I'm going too fast, if there's anything you don't understand, please feel free to ask. And if you have any pairs you want to take a look at, that will be a good timing to write it in the chat so I can plan on looking at it down the line. Okay, so let's start with GJ. All right, so GJ, we're looking at the weekly time frame right now. We are bullish on the weekly time frame. We are forming a new higher high. Daily is also bullish, and we are at the high high. H4 is also bullish. We had already the pullback, but look like, I mean, we're having a hard time continuing to the upside. So in this case here, I don't know if I'm like super excited about taking this trade to the upside, especially that we are at a daily high, which is a resistance. Um, the only good thing here is actually yesterday closed bullish, no bottom wick, right? No bottom wick. This one today already printing the down wick. Look like, I mean, that would be like probably a day trade. Not probably. It's going to be a day trade if I take this one. It's going to be a little bit more risky because we are at that resistance, which is also, if you look here, it is the major QP 206. That has been rejected already 3 times. Hmm. Take a look at H1. H1's been bearish all that time. So yeah, no. No, I need a break above to be able to take this trade. The only thing I might consider is the dogtail setup here later on when this is going to be closed. For this dogtail to work, have better chance to the upside, it will be great for this H4 to break that high, you know. So far, at least we respected the low, so I mean, it's already looking good. If you close engulfing and we broke previous side, that will be like perfect. And I might be able to take this straight to the upside as a scalp for the dogtail setup. All right, so now let's jump into AUDGPY. AUDGPY weekly time frame is bullish. We are also at a higher high. Last week did close doji. We broke previous high, respected previous low. Looking at the daily is also bullish. Yesterday it did close nice though. No bottom wick, also engulfing candle. But today, I mean, look at this. We broke previous high, broke previous low. I don't know. I don't like that. H4. Ugh. Yeah, okay, so sad. AUDGPY was looking so nice. And now it's crap. So later. Boom. Um let's update this though. Let's do whoa. What did I do? Here we go. H1, lower low, and H1 lower high. Perfect. Okay, so NZD/USD, weekly is bearish, right? We've been bearish for so long, but and it was disgusting the weekly, but the daily looks super clean. So I've been like attempting day trade on that. Okay, yeah, we had a win also on that one. This is a paper trade that we discussed on last Forex talk over beer. So far it's playing out. And if I was saying like if H4 comes back in that golden zone, like right there, that happened yesterday. Now we can take a look at lower time frame. Oh, what happened here? The fuck? Somebody said, I don't know what's going on with YouTube right now. I think the ads are being like so stupid. Let me try to fucking close this shit. Um, Ads are so annoying. There we go. Here we go. No more ads, I think. Hopefully. Okay, let's try that. Man. Okay, so now let's take a look at this. Wow, what the? Yeah, no. Man, what's going on, man, with this? Look at this 1 hour. Look, this is disgusting. Hell no. Like, is there any nice spare out there? All right, let's take a look at the GBP/CHF. We are bearish on the weekly time frame. We are bear. Whoa, we are bearish actually, but about to flip bullish. Yeah, it looks like we might have that pullback now. Okay, so now let's do this. Here we go. Now here we got one touch, two touch, and three touch. Yeah, this is pretty legit. Legit, legit, legit. Boom, boom, boom. It's gonna be weekly area of interest. Do we have a major QP? Major QP is right here. 6,000. 7,000's right here. Okay. Okay. Perfect. All right, that looks good. That looks good. So now let's delete this. It looks like Daily's gonna flip bullish, but it's okay because we needed the day to go bullish to retest this area. So this one's gonna stay blue because it's not close to be ready, but definitely it's gonna be looking nice maybe for the end of the week or next week. AD and ZD weekly bearish. I mean bearish. What am I talking? Jesus, bullish. Was expecting a pullback around this area. Didn't happen so far. Daily is bullish also, but looking like crap. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna keep that one blue because I would prefer for price to come visit this area. NZD/CHF weekly bearish. Yeah, this is no good anymore. All right, so we are coming up at that daily golden zone right now. Any area of interest here? No. No. All right, so we got bearish, bearish, H4 bullish. All right, so that one is starting to look pretty good, but we need, no matter what, H4 to go bearish. So I'm going to place an alert here. Here we go. All right, GCAD. GCAD, we are bearish on the weekly time frame. We are coming up at a weekly area of interest, which is super close to that weekly, not weekly, but major QP also. Major QP on the weekly. Man, you can tell I'm not myself right now. Weekly golden zone. Okay, we good. Daily. Day so far we're bearish. Okay, okay, okay. So this one is not ready either. So this one is not even close to be ready. Like this one doesn't look nice. All right, AUDGPY, we just took a look at it if I'm not wrong. Yeah, not interested. Euro CHF. Wow, man, so far nothing nice. Man, what's going on with those charts? All right, so weekly here, we are bearish at the moment, but it looked like crap. Like everything's about to flip bullish now. Weekly bearish, daily is officially bullish now. There we go. Wait, what? Interesting. Okay, any pairs you want to take a look at, guys, let me know now. All right, so let's do a quick overview here. I mean, let's delete this. Let's delete this. Yeah, this looked like crap. This looked like crap. This is getting to that weekly golden zone for the second time. Look like shit. Okay. Alright, so that one looks decent. Let's take a look. Alright, so weekly. Weekly, we are bullish coming down to that weekly golden zone now. We're retesting previous structure point. Any major QP? Yes, here at 192. Daily bullish. And H4 bearish. All right, so this one, I'm gonna put it blue. It's not close to be ready, but looks nice for end of the week because, I mean, the H4 needs to go bullish no matter what. So I'm not gonna be able to do anything right now, obviously, but I'm gonna definitely place an alert here. All right, all right. So far we got nothing in green. I mean, except for GJ, but GJ's not green for real. GJ's just there because it's always there because it's my scalping pair. Okay, okay. So let's take a look here. Which one was the next one? All right, Euro CHF. We are creating a new higher high. Yeah, we saw that one. Euro and ZD here. I mean, bullish on the daily now. At our high, look like shit. Looks like shit. Just ranging. EuroCAD weekly daily horrible. CAD CHF, yeah, look like shit. CAD GPY. Yeah. The data looks clean. H4 is bearish now. Man, it's crazy, man. What's going on with those charts? What's up with that? Did somebody this like what the fuck, man? All right, daily golden zone retesting previous structure point. We are also at no, sorry. Um, fun fact here that daily closed with no wick, and now we're coming down, which is rare. Yeah, fuck it. USD CHF weekly. What is up with this mess? Yeah, I'm out. All right, weekly. All right, so okay, hold on, stand by. Oh, might be able to do a counter trend trade here. Interesting. Let's see. Let's see. So, daily. No, no. Oh, what's going on with my trading view? Oh man, I hate when it starts to be slow like this. Black Friday. Well, yeah, I guess I need to buy this. Not now, but okay. Where was I? I was not on despair. Oh, I hate when TradingView does that. Fuck. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's do this again. Yeah, okay, counter trend trade idea. Okay, let's see here. Let's see. So, yeah, probably not. Because that's gonna be like that would have been my my TP area. Oops. Weekly. Yeah, that would have been my TP, but we're like kind of close to it. So, I mean, I don't know. I have like a like not even 10 pips, you know? So, yeah, no. That's a no-go. Because this is the area where I'm expecting price to reverse. So, if I'm taking a country trend trade too close to this area, I'm gonna get fucked most of the time. So, no country trade idea, but let's see. We need to reach this area. I mean, after that, I'm gonna need the day to go back bullish. So that's gonna be more for next week, I guess. All right. So who's next? All right. Nothing here. Nothing there. ADUSD. Here we got a new lower low. Delete all this. Daily. Okay. Hold on. All right, so weekly's bearish. We're getting out of this bullshit here. We got the infamous shampoo pattern. Okay. I just prefer when like this thing is trending down, but okay. Let's see. All right, so weekly bearish. We're getting out of this mess, which is horrible. What about the daily? Daily, look at this mess. Oh my God, it's a lot of noise. Okay. Can we? Oh, okay. And what about three? I'm actually gonna mark 382 here. Oops. Daily 382. Daily, 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 daily. Where are you? Here. Perfect. Okay, so definitely gonna keep an eye on this one also. I'm not close to be ready. Man, we got nothing close to be ready. What's going on here? I mean, I need to accelerate. I got something coming up in like 7 minutes. Okay, so let's rock. Weekly, bullish, daily, bearish, horrible, GA, not nice at all, horrible. I mean, we've been ranging, 80 CAD, disgusting. Holy fuck, do we have like did I miss something? Please, anyone share me a pair you're looking at. Like what's going on here? Did I miss something? I feel like I missed something. Maybe because I'm starting to be a little bit sick. I don't know. Did I miss anything? Holy crap. Um yeah, I don't trade gold, but I don't trade GU either, but I'm just curious. Everything looked like shit. What is going on? Oh, Euro USD looks decent. That weekly time frame looked like shit though. But we got all that wick to fill. It's bullish though. Let's see. Yeah, we're pretty much where it should reject. If I was looking at a contra trend trade here, oh, we already failed here. Yeah, no, fuck it. No, thank you. USD GPY. Man, oh man. What is going on? Now I understand why all those marketers out there it's been trying to push like new tools, selling this crap, selling this crap, selling this crap because they're making no money trading. That's why. Yeah, that's why. You can tell. When the market looked like shit, suddenly all those like fucking dude out there making no money trading but making shit ton of money marketing. Now they like pushing all kind of new stuff, like a new broker, a new magic tool, a new this, a new that, a new course, a new boot. Like fuck me, man. That's why. Sad. Um. Yeah. No. Wow. Did I miss anything, guys? Me here. Morning, Sasha. Morning, me here. How you doing? How you doing? Okay, man. I gotta go, guys. All right. This one was quick and short. I'm sorry. Um. Overslept, a little bit sick here. But if you guys need any answer to a question, please write those down below or you hit me on Instagram. All right, guys. Thank you so much for being in this morning. I'm gonna be on Thursday night for Forex Talk Over Beer. Thank you so much. I appreciate every single one of you. Trade safe. Don't do anything stupid as usual. And wish you an amazing day. Peace out, guys.